420 RC Jones here once again. So last couple of videos you saw me working on the tires for this here. I was placing the hubs, and then I noticed that this was a little loose, so then I added some pivot balls in there, some fresh ones in there. So here we are going to try this out now. All right, see how it went. And then I've never used these, the Pro Line Badlands on here on the Vortex before, so maiden voyage for that. Always have them on Big Rock. Let's see how this goes. Running 3S. Always a good sign. Start like that, right? Let's fix this up. Make sure you guys can actually see stuff. Hang on a sec. Alright, let's go. Not bad. A bright one out there. Uh-oh. Shut down. What's that one here? What happened? Oh, Vortex always has something going on with it. Since day one, I got always something. Shut it down. Ooh, I like how low it is. Yeah. Oh, it's struggling. Oh man, it's struggling. Let's see how this thing goes. That's really. Oh, that's not bad on you. Oh, it's hitting the body. Yeah, some body trimming. Whew. Oh, yeah. So I'm running the stock thing. Not the speed one. There's a few madness in here. Okay. I really use this battery for a bit, so maybe that's an issue. Or is it all this? Oh, a lot of buildup on here. Yes. Beat it off. Oh, no. Bad choice of words. Let's try this again. I know. Abusing it. Let's have a love-hate relationship with her. There we go. There's some of that love-hate. Sometimes I love to hate it, sometimes I just love it. Oh. Gotta play with the 3S ones now because I broke all the 6Ss. My Vortex and Clayton. Waiting on parts in a couple weeks. And these are the times when I love it. It just works. I was one of those guys who got this thing from this day one. And from day one, I've been saying Vortex had a lot of problems when it first released. First shipping up there gears, the spur gears, because they weren't setting the mounts properly, the motor mounts properly. I was one of them. The worst, this is my first ARRMA. This is me getting into RC. Glad it didn't set me back, but I enjoyed just making it work. Here we are. Oh, okay. So, I didn't know it was considered a stadium truck before. I didn't know about all those things before. Maybe you didn't either. So no. That's fun. Alright. Hope I can teach someone something. I just love this thing. I love it too. Pro, but enthusiast. Well, one battery down. I know that. Vortex is infamous for eating up batteries. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have a couple more install videos because, like I said, I broke my other 6Ss. Alright, well, till the next one.